20 quotes from Henry Ford on business, leadership, and life that will inspire you to think big. Before everything else, getting ready is the secret of success. If you always do what you've always done, you'll always get what you've always got. There is no disgrace in honest failure, there is disgrace in fearing to fail. There is one rule for the industrialist, and that is, make the best quality of goods possible at the lowest cost possible, paying the highest wages possible. When everything seems to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. If there is any one secret of success, it lies in the ability to get the other person's point of view, and see things from that person's angle as well as from your own. An idealist is a person who helps other people to be prosperous. Coming together is the beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is a success. That the devil finds work for idle hands to do is probably true. But there is a profound difference between leisure and idleness. The whole secret of a successful life is to find out what is one's destiny to do, and then do it. Even a mistake may turn out to be the one thing necessary to a worthwhile achievement. No man is living who isn't capable of doing more than he thinks he can do. To see a thing clearly in the mind makes it begin to take form. A business absolutely devoted to service will have only one worry about profits. They will be embarrassingly large. It is not the employer who pays the wages. Employers only handle the money. It is the customer who pays the wages. To do more for the world than the world does for you is a success. You say I started with practically nothing, but that isn't correct. We all start with all there is, it's how we use it that makes things possible. Do you want to know the cause of war? It is capitalism, greed, and the dirty hunger for dollars. Take away the capitalist, and you will sweep war from the earth.